Hey, it's Ryan with Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the freezer box tray on the Samsung refrigerator. Let's get started. The first thing that you'll need to do is open up the freezer drawer. Next, remove the upper freezer tray assembly by pushing it to the rear, lifting the wheels out of the slots, and then lifting up on the front to remove it. Next, remove the freezer box tray by tilting the rear and pushing back to remove it from the front slot. Then tilt forward and lift up to remove. If you have a bad freezer box tray and you need to purchase a new one, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you search with the model number from the tag on your refrigerator to make sure you get the correct part. Next, reinstall the freezer box tray by inserting the back first, tilting the front forward into the slot, and then setting it in place. Next, reinstall the upper freezer tray by tilting in the rear and setting it down onto the freezer box tray. Now, push it to the rear and then pull it forward to make sure the wheels are locked in place. So that's it for this video. If you have any tips or tricks of your own, let us know in the comments below.